Hi guys, John the firearms instructor, and we're doing another box opening. Today we're doing the Smith & Wesson M&P EZ. Many of you asked about the EZ, many of you bought the EZ, but some of you haven't yet. I think this is a great weapon for anybody with dexterity, or there's no such thing as a woman's gun, but it's easy racking, easy loading, and I think you'll enjoy this video. Stay tuned.
All right, guys, here we go with the box opening of the Smith & Wesson M&P EZ. It's easy slide, easy racking. As we open the box up there, look at that manual. Read and understand your manual before you touch or do anything with the firearm. That is important, folks. All right, this is the Easy Range Kit. The Easy Range Kit comes with muffs, eyewear, 2 magazines, and a cleaning kit in this cool PLANO box. As you look at the weapon itself, I think I've talked to you before about this, but it has the backstrap safety, has a wall safety, has the 3-dot system. This is a great, easy gun to shoot. We're gonna take it back now to the range and run a few rounds out of it to show you how well it shoots. As you can see, the EZ stands up to its name. Easy reloading, easy racking. It's a great piece. It comes with all this stuff you see. Can't beat that. That's a limited time though, guys. Remember this. Smith put these packages out. I'm not sure how long it's going to last. If you want to get one of these, you got to get down here and get it. We're at 918 Southeast 14th Avenue in beautiful Cape Coral, Florida. We're off the Industrial Park off Vizcaya. Until next time, God bless, be safe, and remember, you are your first line of defense.
If you like what you saw in this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Please hit the bell icon to get more videos just like this when we upload them. If you know a friend or family that likes it, I would recommend you send it to them. God bless, be safe, remember, you are your first line of defense.